COS, we're constantly striving to work in a more circular way, and our new sustainable store concept is a great example of this. I'm Marcus Cole, and I'm the architectural creative lead here at COS. I oversee the in-house design team that's tasked with the design and the strategic planning of COS stores globally. This flagship store in Stockholm is the first in Europe to adopt the most sustainable store concept from COS to date. The design focuses on circularity in both our material selection and our design strategy. This is our warehouse space in Stockholm, where we look to experiment, test and review new interiors prior to them going into our stores. It's a great way to bring together new materials that we've been researching and discover how they complement each other. We prioritised materials that could be easily repaired and are designed for disassembly by avoiding mixing materials that are hard to decouple later down the line. The floor throughout our sales area is a terrazzo tile that is 90% quarry waste from our own supplier's production line. Our vitrine and wardrobes are made from a combination of recycled acrylic and bamboo. Bamboo is a more renewable choice than traditional hardwoods because of the speed at which it grows, its carbon storage capacity, and also its durability. If we look to our fitting rooms and some of the softer fixtures in our stores, the panels are made from 60% recycled plastic bottles that have been spun into felt. The floor consists of a PVC-free linoleum, which is made from a mixture of recycled and natural materials. The majority of the rugs are a collaboration using waste yarn from our supplier's chain, each bespoke in their own way. This concept store is actually a rebuild of an existing store, and we were able to reallocate and reuse 50% of our interior elsewhere in our portfolio, making sure we have as much emphasis on what we're taking out of the store as what we're putting in it as well. The stores that have adopted our new concept now have an average of 68% recycled materials. And this is a percentage that we're both really proud of because of how far we've come, but also challenged by because of where we want to get to. We have very ambitious plans to bring this sustainable approach and all of our learnings from it to more stores in the future. We recently opened this concept store in Mexico City, building on our learnings from Stockholm. Whether it's a flagship store or a smaller activation, this concept demonstrates the positive impact that we can have with the right design choices.